Welcome back. I'm Grace Chang, founder CEO of Kintsugi, a smart voice journaling app for mindfulness. I hope you've had an opportunity to play around in the app and discover some features on your own. There is a hidden Easter egg, and if you found it, enjoy! This is the second of a short 3-part video on getting started. So far, we've covered recording your first journal entry, and today we'll be looking back at your memories and getting inspired by the incredible Kintsugi community. The last video will look at goals. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to contact us at support@kintsugihello.com. You can also contact us directly in the settings of the app, Contact Support. So without further ado, let's take a look at our memories. We're now looking at our home screen of the application, and if we are to swipe right, we can see our memories in the past. If we go back to the home screen, we can also access memories by clicking the top left calendar icon, and again it will take us to our memories. So as you start to journal, you'll find all of your journal entries neatly organized in your memories by sentiment, date, duration, and tag. You can sort any of these headers by tapping on each one accordingly. And if you want to look at a journal entry for more detail, you can either tap or swipe to look at more options, including deleting the journal entry or sharing it, as we had in the first video. Every day where you've made an entry should show an approximation of how positive, neutral, or negative those recordings were for that day. The color coding is merely a visual for the range of positive to negative sentiment to help identify specific journal entries in more detail. People have asked, well, what if I have a lot of negative entries? Congratulations! You've owned your struggles, and at least you were honest enough to vent when you needed it most. We've been trained by social media to create posts that only get likes. Social media, by its design, is for promotion. Your value is not determined by how valuable you are as a product to that market. Your measure of success can oftentimes be boiled down to one question, and that's, do the people you care about love you back? Your self-care ultimately helps in your growth and performance. Don't be afraid to confront your challenges, reflect often, and be inspired. If we're able to look at any one of these entries, just so that you're able to share it more broadly to the Kintsugi community, you can toggle this key down below where it says share your voice journal entry anonymously with other Kintsugi members who face a similar issue. As you save that toggle, if you go back to your Today screen and either pull the menu down or click on the top left chat bubble icon, you'll be able to see what others have wrote as public inspirations. We can also thank this person for their contribution, or we can share this entry with friends. The purpose of the community is so that we never feel alone on our journey, and a little bit different than traditional social media. It's not so much about the count of how many likes that you get, but really just more about sharing that story in the moment. So that's it for memories. I hope you've enjoyed this short tutorial. Thanks.